Hello everyone. This morning, 6 o'clock, about 5 to 6 o'clock, the sea level water is in recede. Look at this. This morning in recede, the sun still below, because it is morning, and the sea level water is in recede. So if you want to go fish, if you want to go activity for fishing, I recommended you to I recommendation you fishing at near of rock, because if you fishing by the sea on the beach, you cannot do that because the water empty. Okay.